It's my kind of weather. How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Sagitnet 2. We are back. Another 50 Shades of Green G23 BK. Today's episode will be kind of quick. I just would like to help out some of the guys that reached out and left a message thinking about getting some of the parts that I have put on. He's just not too sure of whether he wants to get it or not because of some of the reviews on this. It's kind of iffy. They have said that it's coming loose. I know in the past that I have said it also, but right after I have done some like a retorque on it after I have put on some few mileage, and it made me to believe that it's okay, that I love it so much that I went and got another sets. What I'm talking about is the titanium exhaust studs right there. This has a reputation of backing off the nuts. That's what they said. But from my experience, since I own two of these, it never came off. I have found one that is out of specs, but nothing really to a point where, you know, it's loose, like it's exhaust leaking or anything like that. I'm not sure how much mileage I have put onto this motor. I know it's more than 1,000. Yeah, and I have not touched this ever since I have put it on. So yeah, today I will give you my honest opinion about it. Even if it fails or even if it holds the torque, still I want it because I know I could rely on it. I think the key to it on the second time that I have installed this, that when you put this on, the studs, the exhaust studs, make sure it's all tight onto the cylinder head. Yeah, make sure to give it a little bit of a torque on there, or if you like, you can put a Loctite on it or something. But yeah, I think that's the key. Make sure that the studs is actually, it is secured on the cylinder head. All right, let's go and do this one. So I got the torque wrench set to about 20. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. Start at the center. It's 1, 2, 3. All right, that one is it took just a little bit of a turn, but that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 out of 4. It's good. It's good. Good. And remember now, that's 20 pounds a foot. That's good. All right, well, I could not get the wrench on that one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 1 out of 8. So I say it's good. Before I went to a dyno check, I gave it a torque, and same thing like what I have today. Yeah, I'm not sponsored by them, by TRC or anything like that. I'm just giving you my honest opinion. I'm not too sure about the other brand. I know there's more cheaper than this one on eBay. I'm not sure if it's the material are built the same like a well-known brand or anything like that, but sure is yeah, I never had any problem with it. I mean, yeah, we are the witness. Yeah. So yeah, it's just something that you have to decide for yourself. But make sure to give it a double check right after you put some mileage on it. And just like any other fasteners out there, we just have a habit of not checking it, that's all. I bet you on OE fasteners, you'll find one that backing up or something like that. I bet you would. Yeah. So yeah, I could recommend one of these, whether it's a well-known good brand. This is TRC. Again, I'm not sponsored by it, but there you have it. And for the VMS cam gears, I'm gonna go and well, I have put some Loctite on this one, so it should not back off or anything like that, but I'm gonna give it a check anyway. Those things that I can put my tools on. In the beginning, I did said that save your money if you want to get one of these. In my opinion, I think the torque specs that they included on this is just too much for the size of that bolt, in my opinion. Yeah, if this happened to be like a socket type, not an Allen head screws, it would have been better. It would have been perfect. But that's something that we could upgrade if we wanted to. If you get one of these, once you torque it, once you are set, and you put some Loctite on it, forget about it. Don't do anything more. And yeah, you have seen it. I mean, it went on a dyno session twice. It never failed. So I could vouch for this one too. And also, I'm not sponsored by them, okay? So it's up to you on how you use it. Now, this is NA setup. It only puts out like 200 plus. So if you have a motor that's putting out maybe like a boosted engines or something like that, that goes up to 400, more than 400, that is something that I would not use. It'll be nice to give it a try, but I could not vouch more than 220 or 230. So if you are thinking about boosting your motor, think twice as far as using this one. The torque specs that they gave us on this one is 15, so I'm gonna set the torque wrench to a little bit lower. Let me cover this up before I drop something on there, and that would be a disaster. 175. That's pounds per inch. Yeah, it should not be loose because I put some Loctite on it, but since I'm doing a review, might as well. I couldn't get that one. There's one. Okay, I think that should be good enough. I could not get this one, nor the other one. This one, it took not really, I felt that it moved a little bit, but no biggie. I mean, that's why we're doing the review anyway, a torque check. So my review on this one, 1 out of 10. Yeah, I will give it a 9 plus. I didn't give it a full 10. It's because of the remember the head of the bolt. If they would only put like a shoulder head bolts on there, it would have been better. Like AEM. Yeah, it would be more stout than this one. And for the titanium exhaust studs nuts, or the kit, 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 10. Providing you come back and give it a torque check after you have put a little bit of mileage on it, and you'll be good to go. Well, this is where I end this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all back on the next episode. Yeah, it's a good weather today. My kind of weather. Bye everyone.